Alright, what's up, my people? Chris Akwa and welcome to another edition of my Make Money Online video. In this particular video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can participate in the Solana football airdrop, which is live. And this airdrop is based on first come, first serve. So the requirement for you to participate in this airdrop is your Solana wallet. So if you don't have a Solana wallet, head on to solet.io to create one for yourself. So once you head on to solet.io to create one for yourself, come back to this particular video and click on the description. In the description of this video, I'll be dropping the link, the Google Docs link that will bring you to this particular page. So when you get to this particular page, you can now participate in all the entries for you to qualify for the airdrop. So right here you can see this is the official website solanafootball.com, and the airdrop is for the first 1,800 people to fill this form, and these are the tasks you are expected to complete. You have to join the Discord, follow them on Reddit and like posts. Then you have to retweet on Twitter. So how do you retweet? You don't just use the retweet button, you need to use the quote tweet button. Then you ensure that you input all these hashtags and also tag 3 of your friends. So once you've done that, just come straight here and input your details. So once you input your details, you input your Solana address, the one that you created, and all you need to do is to click on submit. So once you click on submit, then you are done. So your response will be recorded and anticipate your airdrop. Ensure that you join their Discord and verify. Ensure that you join the Reddit. If you don't have Reddit, you have to go and download the app, or you can use the web version. If you don't have Discord, get the app, or you can use the web version on your laptop. And also, if you don't have Twitter, get the app, or you can use the web version on your laptop or your mobile device. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, go ahead to subscribe for more opportunities on how you can make money online. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.